Let me show you how to enable and also how to disable stabilization in the Final Cut camera app for your iPhone. So this is a new Pro camera app. So if you launch it, this is what you're going to see. So to enable or disable stabilization, just go to settings by tapping on the settings icon in the top right corner. And from the pop-up, you should see stabilization under preferences. So make sure preferences tab is selected, and then you should see stabilization. So to enable, just tap on that, and that's going to enable stabilization. And when you take videos with that on, then they're going to be automatically stabilized. Now that's gonna crop in on your videos a little bit, but then it uses that cropping in to try and stabilize your videos. So to turn it off, it's the same process. Just go to settings once again, and then make sure preferences is selected, and then you can turn off stabilization from here. Okay, thanks for watching and good luck.